In this video, I'll show you how to run sudo commands without typing your password every time. Let's begin. But be careful. This can reduce your system security, so use it only if you're sure. Step 1. Open the terminal. Now type this command to edit the sudoers file, sudo visudo. This opens the file safely in a special editor. Step 2. Add the no password rule. Use the arrow keys to scroll down. At the bottom, add this line. Here, replace Ubuntu with your actual Ubuntu username. Now save and exit. Press Ctrl+X, then press Y, then press Enter. That's it. Step 3. Test it out. Now try running any sudo command like sudo apt update. It should run without asking for a password, and you're done. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.